In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and update some settings on Booksy Biz. Whether you're just getting started or looking to make specific changes to your business profile, understanding how to efficiently manage your settings is crucial. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Booksy Biz by simply navigating to their website and logging into your business account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll find yourself looking at a variety of options. Today, we are focusing on fine-tuning your business settings to better reflect your services and location. Your next step will be to locate and click on the Business Settings tab. It is usually found in a sidebar or under a main menu item, depending on how personalized your view already is. Clicking this will open up a world of customization options that allow you to tailor your business profile in a way that best suits your needs, and more importantly, the needs of your clients. After you've entered the business settings, your next focus will be on business details. Business details is where you can ensure your professional information is up to date and accurately portrays your brand and business ideology. This section doesn't only help your clients know more about you, it also establishes trust with potential customers who are exploring their various options. Now, within the business details section, you'll find a subcategory labeled Location and Mobile Services. This is where you will handle all things related to your business location and any mobile services you may offer. Why is this important, you ask? Making sure your address and service areas are current and precise ensures that your clients have no trouble finding you and they understand the extent of your service reach. Once inside the location and mobile services, you will see the address editing option. Here you have the ability to update any changes or corrections to your business address. It's essential, of course, for ensuring deliveries and clients arrive at the correct location. Finally, an often overlooked but highly significant feature is adjusting your pin location on the map. By fine-tuning this pin, you help customers find your exact business location with ease. It's a simple but powerful detail that enhances client satisfaction, especially for those who rely heavily on map applications for navigation. So there you have it, a streamlined and efficient way to keep your Booksy Biz profile up to date and client ready. Regularly revisiting and updating your business settings can make a world of difference in how clients interact with your business. Remember, the clearer and more precise your information, the